Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be doing a makeup look for office within 5 to 7 minutes, and I'm going to be using all the affordable products which will be under rupees 300. Before we start, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and now let's get started. First I'm going to start off by using this Lakme CC cream in the shade bronze, which is very beautiful and gives a sheer to medium coverage, which is perfect for every day. Next, I'm going to be using my Holy Grail Dermacolor concealer to cover up any spots that I have, and also using the same for my under eye area as well. Since my skin is a little oily, I'm going to use this Rimmel pressed powder to set it, and again this is a very beautiful matte finish product. Moving on to my eyebrows, I'm going to use this Maybelline eyebrow shaper in brown shade to fill it in. It gives a very natural look, and that's exactly what I want. Again, another Maybelline product. This is a super black kajal. I'm going to apply it in my waterline. For the eyeshadow, it's an optional, but I'm going to use this Kiss Beauty palette which I got from the local store, and I'm going to use this brown shade to sort of add a definition to my eyes, which is just like contouring your eyes. For eyeliner, I'm going to use this Lakme eyeliner. As you can see, I'm almost out of it. It's just the best and very easy to apply. I'm going to use this Maybelline mascara again. It's just that Maybelline products are very affordable and really good, so I'm going to use them a lot, and this mascara gives just the volume and curl that you want. And for the final part, I'm going to use Wet n Wild Mega Last lipstick. It's a matte finish lipstick, so I'm going to just dab it on my lips because it's very pigmented and I want a very soft look, so you can always build it up if you want. Yeah, so that's it for today's video. If you have enjoyed it, please subscribe, and I will see you soon. Bye.